Hello everybody, welcome back to the KYSB channel. Today I'll be playing some more Murder Duos, and today I'll be trying to attempt to unbox the BoBox. Now this one's a limited which costs Robux, and I just recently bought some Robux, so I'm going to be attempting to try and get some stuff. Now I've got almost everything in this box, apart from the cotton candy effect and the magic swift. So we're going to try to unbox it today. You can see I actually got my inventory. I actually bought some new stuff. Look, I got this rainbow runic seer, which costs Robux, which I put the rainbow effect on it. The spring magic, I got the runic hyper. It looks all cool and stuff, so yeah, I'll keep buying normal stuff though. So I got 10 here, but I can keep buying more if I wanted to. So let's see if we actually unbox the cotton candy or the magic swift. But anyways, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel to, and also turn notifications so you don't miss a video. And yeah, let's get into it. I got a snotty nose because, you know, life. This heat wave is actually really killing me, but let's go into this. Come on. We're getting light prism. Oh yes! Let's go. The cotton candy effect. All we need is magic swift. Pastel shine. 7 more. Let's see. Light prism. I already have a runic dragon though. It'll be cool to get it again though, that'd be definitely sure. Rainbow pixel. I'll take it. I mean, that was legendaries. Another light prism. Rainbow magma. Pastel shine. And rainbow magma. Let's go do our fair. So we got cotton candy. Good. I'll do it for spring magic. Look at this. Ooh, that is nice looking. Alright, so I want to get some more real quick. Let me just pause. Alright, so I'm back with the 10 more. Let's see if we can actually unbox it. Come on. We're gonna get magic swift. Oh, I was about to get another cotton candy. That would have been cool. Yes, yeah, no! Oh, damn it. We got close, man. So close. Rainbow pixel. I hate you, Rainbow pixel. I want to get the magic swift, bro. Magma. Yes, let's go! Magic swift. Ooh. Look at all these white knives. Alright, let's go again. I mean, not buy more. Let's just keep going. Light prism. I'll do one more of these, like 10 more of them. 2 more. Oh, and I got close to it. We got close to another runic dragon, because runic dragon's divine, remember? Oh, and we got even closer to it. I'll let me buy some more. Bought some more, I got 10. Let's go. Come on, please. Oh, pastel shine. Yeah, let's go, galactic doge. I'm taking that. Yes, let's go. Another galactic doge. Oh, come on. I'm going to another cotton candy effect. That would be nice. Rainbow zone. Rainbow magma. Another rainbow zone. Magma again. I got 2 more of these. Okay, I got another galactic dough. That's good. That's good. Alright, let me try again. Alright, back. Let's just do another one. I bought 20 this time. Let's see if we can actually get it. I'm planning to try at least get like maybe another cotton candy effect or another rune dragon. Let's just see what we get while we're here. So First one. Oh, let's go Magic Swift. We're doing good. We're just trying to get Runic. Even though I already have it, I really do kind of want another one. Light Prism. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Runic Dragon Divine. Oh, we just missed it. Wait, why is there a tapping effect? Let me check. Wait. There's like a weird little tap effect when I keep tapping my screen. Let me just check this out. Alright, I'm back. I solved it. I'm really sorry about that. Alright, so again. Another Rainbow Zone. Oh, come on. Rainbow Zone again. Light Prism. Rainbow Pixel. Yes, let's go, Con Candy Effect. Got 10 more. Oh, we could have got another one. That was crazy. Rainbow Magma again. Rainbow Pixel. Got 7 more. Galactic Doge. That's good. Another Galactic Doge. Alright, Rainbow Pixel again. Rainbow Magma. 3 more. Pastel Shine. Rainbow Zone. And a Light Prism. Alright, so let's have a look at this. Look at all this stuff we have. Jeez, we are looking good. Now if I'd have all this stuff in my inventory, like, look at this. This is crazy collection. Should I do another one? Chat, I'm really kind of tempted to do another one. Let me see how much I have for. Alright, so I decided let's do another one. Yeah, I know I look like I'm obsessed, but you know, you gotta try. Alright, this is the final, like actual final last turn. Ugh, Rainbow Pixel. Make it count, make it count. Yes, let's go, Magic Swift. Pastel Shine. Rainbow Zone. Rainbow Zone, go away, please. I'm trying to get something good. Pastel Shine. Galactic Doge, you know what? Good. Rainbow Zone again. Up my Mr. Pong Handy. Ugh. Oh, again. You know what? Okay, I'm actually dead ass sorry. I'll be like, go get another. Yeah, I know. I'm actually kind of annoying. Okay, look. Mark my way. This is the final one. I promise. I'm just getting really into it. No! Oh, damn it. Legendaries are not letting me get anything good now. They sort of have too much good stuff now. They're trying not to get me anything good. Pastel Shine, go away. Okay, Galactic Doge is actually quite decent. Oh, imagine if I got another Runic Dragon. That'd be kind of sick. Oh, why do you have to do that to me? Rainbow Magma. Rainbow Zone. Final one. And, yeah. You were literally right next to it. Look at this lovely, lovely inventory I have. Look at that. It looks so cute and beautiful. Alright, okay, let me check something real quick. Look, I'm just saying, I'm getting very tempted. I'm getting very tempted to spend, like, all my money on it, but, you know, yeah, I'm gonna do this again. Don't mind me. Oh, I'm so close, so close to campaign. What the hell was I saying? Well, I got close to the Magic Swift and the Cotton Candy already. Let's see, come on. Yes, Cotton Candy effect. Magic Swift W. Take it. Oh, come on, I was so close to that one. Light Prism. Light Prism. I'm gonna do an automatic skip one. Let me just. Yes, let's go Galactic Doge. Rainbow Zone and. Oh, let's go! Root Dragon again. I could do the Rainbow Seal or the Root Dragon. I just do Runic Piper. Oh yeah, look at this. This is looking all decked out, bro. This looks sick. Okay, I'm gonna go again. Rainbow Zone, Castle Shine. Oh, let's go Runic Dragon again. Let's actually go. Come on. Come on. Yes, again. I want another Cotton Candy effect. I've spent like literally almost every single bit of my Robux for these BoBox. But you know what? I don't care. Rainbow Zone. Castle Shrine. Root Dragon again. Let's go. We're getting so lucky right now. Rainbow Pixel. Oh, it's another Runic Dragon. Another one. Nope. Rainbow Zone. Rainbow Zone again. Castle Shine. Light Prism. Cotton Candy effect. Let's go. Castle Shine. Classic Magma. Rainbow Zone. Rainbow Zone, go away, please. Toxic Magma. I mean, I keep saying Toxic Magma, it's Rainbow Magma. Light Prism. Castle Shine. Another Root Dragon. Magic Swift again. W. Another Magic Swift. Rainbow Zone. Root Dragon again. Galactic Doge. Magic Swift. Another Root Dragon. Toxic. I keep saying toxic. Whatever. Come on. Last 4. Make it count. Magic Swift. Pixel. Magic Swift again. And Castle Shine. You know what? I'll take it. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. Like, it's literally beautiful. You're about to see me buy another one. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, we got some really nice stuff. We got literally 7 Runic Dragons. That's insane. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. Bye bye.